Hi everyone, welcome to Southport Honda. I'm Tom, the Internet Specialist. The next car on our list is this Toyota CHR 2 litre VVT XL. It's a great looking car list with plenty of key features which I'll go through here today. If you want any more information or more personalised video, please don't hesitate to contact us on 01704 500 501. So taking you around the vehicle, so you got your front and rear daytime running lights, front and rear parking sensors, front and rear fog lights, diamond cut alloy wheels, bare curb rash on these, but they will be getting repaired before the vehicle goes out. Parking sensors on the rear, reverse camera, registration number DE70EUX. Great size boot in these, plenty of space. Leather seats front and rear, Isofix seats on the rear, mats already fit inside. Electric windows front and rear, blind spot recognition, keyless entry. Electric folding mirrors, electrically adjusted mirrors, multifunctional steering wheel, heated steering wheel, self-parking, vehicle's done 46,388, heated seats on the front, got your air conditioning, and in the centre got our sat nav, our Bluetooth, our DAB radio. There's a reverse camera just there. Okay, if there's anything I've missed on the video, if there's anything you want to know more in particular, please don't hesitate to give us a call. If you've seen the video on YouTube, if you can please give the video a like and our page a follow, be able to see future cars that come into our stock. Thank you. Bye now.